Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Coded Complex. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play this game without being interrupted by the obstacle. Okay, so usually what happens is when you are playing the game, you keep jumping the obstacles, okay, so that you so I'm going to show you how to play this game without being interrupted. So let's go. So all you need to do is right click on the screen, click on inspect. Alright, so you'll be seeing a screen like this. Go to your console. Alright, so you are going to be typing runner, alright, dot instance, okay, dot let's game over. Alright, so here we are going to write an empty function. This is how to write an empty function, okay. Alright, so the next thing you do is to hit enter. So with just this single line of code, we can actually play this game and we will not be stuck on the way. You can play as long as you want without being stuck, okay. So if these are the type of updates you like to be seeing, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and stay somewhere around this channel for more updates like this. For now, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.